Hello everyone, NPTEL October 31, 2025 exams hall tickets has been released. So in this video we'll see how to download the hall ticket and what are the instructions that need to be followed by the candidates in order to attempt the exam. Here is the link where you can navigate to and download your hall ticket. So before downloading, let's see some of the instructions given by the NPTEL. What they're telling is the final exam date, city and exam center in the hall ticket or final. They're asking you to check your final exam date, city and exam center in the hall ticket and the details given in the hall ticket or final. You will not be permitted to take the exam in different city or different date or different exam centers. The data which you have submitted during the application process like name, date of birth, photo and signature will be printed on your hall ticket and this will be reflected on your e-certificate. But if you want to make any changes, you need to pay 200 per change. Per each change, you need to pay 200. If you want to change your name, 200. If you want to change date of birth along with name, then 200 plus 200, 400 they will be charging you. And these changes will not be reflected on your hall ticket, but they will be reflected on your e-certificate. So here you can submit your errors like any mistakes in your names, date of birth or any other details. So this error form will be closing on October 27 at 5 p.m. For further doubts, you can mail to the support team. So now let's see how to download the NPTEL hall ticket. So if you're new here, I'm Namrita and welcome back to my channel Nam's World, where I post the updates about jobs, internship, free courses and tech related stuff. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it keeps me motivated to post such informational content for you. So you can check out my videos from my channel and also follow for more such tech updates. You can follow my social media handles like LinkedIn, Telegram channel, Instagram channel. You can find it in my bio or I will post them in the description. Please check it out. I will give you this link in the description. Please check it out. So click here, give your email ID and password. So your password should be your date of birth, that is year hyphen month hyphen date. This should be in this format only. You need to include the hyphens, then only you will be able to log in. So let's log in into the portal. Here are your details, and in my previous video I have already told you to check your final exam date and center. Here there is a column called hall ticket where you can download your hall ticket. Click on download, then your hall ticket will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it. So here is my hall ticket. So the total duration of examination is 180 minutes. Candidates will be permitted to leave the examination hall only after 10:30 a.m. on a need basis. Like if your exam is in the morning, then you can leave the exam hall by 10:30 a.m. In the afternoon, there will be separate time like I don't know the exact time, but usually after one and a half hour you can leave the examination hall if you have any need. Okay. So the first point is the hall ticket. You need to take the print of hall ticket and along with that you need to take any original photo identification. The acceptable photo identification documents are like the school ID, college ID, employee ID, driving license, passport, PAN card, voter ID and Aadhaar card. I suggest you to take your Aadhaar card because most of the students takes their Aadhaar card. And one more thing, make sure the details which you gave in your NPTEL registration forms like date of birth, it should match your Aadhaar card. Otherwise, you will be kept in hold. Like they will make you to wait for some times because they need to confirm. Otherwise, they'll write your error in a sheet. So make sure both are matching your NPTEL registration, date of birth or name, and the Aadhaar card details or matching. And you need to take original photo ID means original Aadhaar card you need to take, no, not photocopy. Okay. And hall ticket photocopy original Aadhaar card. Hall tickets and Aadhaar card or photo ID copies will not be permitted on phone. They need only the hard copies. Okay. Next, coming to the timeline. So actually the exam is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. but you need to report at the examination venue at 8 a.m. and by 8:40 a.m. candidates will be permitted to occupy the allotted seats. By 8:50 a.m. candidates can log in and read the instruction prior to the examination, and by 9 a.m. exam start. At exactly 9 a.m. exam will be started. 9:30 a.m. gate closes means you will not be permitted after 9:30 a.m. So make sure you're reaching the exam hall prior to 9:30. It's better to reach by 8 a.m. and by 10:30 a.m. submit button will be enabled. If anyone want to submit the exam and leave the examination hall, they can do so. And by 12 p.m. exam ends. Candidates will be allowed for the exam only after their credentials are verified by the center officials. Means your details must be correct, then only you are permitted to write the exam. So here what they are telling is to check your center prior a day before exam, so that you may reach correctly at correct time the next day. On the exam day, you can reach correctly at your exam center. So the stationery requirements. So A4 sheets will be provided to you. You can do the reference and return them after the exam. And this is the online calculator. Online calculator will be available in the screen itself. There you can calculate if anything you need. So let me show how the online calculator works. So here is the scientific calculator. If you want to make any calculation, you can make here. Bring your own pen and pencil. It will not be provided in the examination center. Next, coming to the dress code. Candidates are expected to come in professional attire to write the exam. Wearing shorts will not be permitted inside the exam hall. What will be permitted? You may bring non-electronic vehicle keys inside the exam hall. You are advised to carry your own drinking water bottle in a transparent. These are not permitted, like watches, wallets, mobile phones, Bluetooth devices, microphones, pages, health bands, or any electronic gadgets. Read it out. So read it out and check what are not allowed. What are mandatory for the examination? Hall tickets have to be returned to the invigilator before leaving the exam hall. No paper can be taken out of the exam hall. Press the submit button on the computer after you have completed the exam. So in my upcoming video, I'm going to post a video on how to pass the NPTEL exam. If you watch that video, you can easily pass the NPTEL exam. So make sure you're watching that video. And if you don't want to miss out that video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you found it useful, please like and share with your friends so that they never miss an update. That's all for today's video. See you next week.